Hey, 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 hey. How are you guys doing? It is the deliver crew doing the deliver walk. You understand? Guys, what's up? You can go. A joke, where you going? Hey guys, what's up? We're here. We're on the deliver trail and I am throwing away money. A lot of people I say throw away money. Them just dash it in the air. Why them throw away money? Because they watch the video, they don't sign up. Remember guys, when you sign up, you're gonna get your first item delivered, shipped, no shipping charges, for free. You hear me? So I don't want you to throw away your money guys. Now drop it on the ground, now dash it away. Save your money. Join us today, get your first item delivered, shipped for free. Alright? So I want you guys to sign up right now. There's a link somewhere, either here on the screen or in the description box. Sign up right now so you can get that first item shipped for free. Alright? No throw away your money no more. Alright? I'm gonna take out my mask and say it again. No throw away your money no more. Get your first package delivered absolutely free. Join us today. Click on the link. Join us. Come man, come. Stop waste time. Come in. Click on the link. Join us. Alright? Catch you guys later. Bye. You're gonna join out.